Okay, y'all, this is for the mini for my 71-piece Rotary toolkit. It has 5 spots at 5/20th spot. And we're going to go live. Type. And that's at 1:53 a.m. 1:53 a.m. Get over here and put our list in. And there's 5 on the whole thing there. And we're going to need a 4 or higher on the dice, so we'll do that at 1:53. And we have an 8, 6, and 2. So we're going to do the first randomize. It's still 1:53. And after the first time, there's 5 items on the list. We've got Sammy on top and Tanya Brown on the bottom. Getting tongue-tied. We have a 6 and a 2 is an 8. So we're going to continue on. And it's flipping over to 1:54 a.m. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After 7 times, there's still 5 items on the list. We have Vicky on top and Sammy on the bottom. We've gone 7 times. Dice, a 6 and a 2, calls for an 8. And we're going to go for the last time at 1:54 a.m. Good luck, everybody. We got 2 winners. Top spot wins 9. Bottom spot's going to win 4. So here we go. And we've gone 5 times. Danny Boy's on the top. He's going to win 9 spots. Spot number 4. And spot number 3, Vicky Barnett. You win 4 spots on the main. We've gone 8 times. The dice, 6 and 2, called for an 8. So we are done. And that is at 1:55 a.m. 1:55 a.m. So, congratulations, Danny. And scroll up here. Your first spot, you get 9 on the main. And then we have Vicky in spot number 5. Wins 4 spots on the main. Thank you guys so much for helping me fill this mini up. And y'all have a Merry Christmas.